Hi there. In today's video, we are going to talk to you about how AquaSure works. With use, sediment builds up in your spa pipes and components, proving a hiding place for bacteria. With this sediment build-up, you will need to use more sanitizer to effectively kill the bacteria. This is a double problem, as higher sanitizer levels are more aggressive on both you and your hot tub. Additionally, increased sediment can decrease the lifespan of spa components. Our solution prevents and reduces sediment buildup, requiring less sanitizer to keep your hot tub clean, safe, and fresh. Simply add AquaSure to your spa once a week. First, check how much solution you need to add using the supplied chart and measuring jug. Pour in both solution A and solution B and then check your sanitizer and pH levels. Relax in the knowledge your spa is now protected, keeping your investment in tip-top shape. Less sanitizer also means the spa water is kinder to your skin, eyes, hair, and swimwear. And also, our solution contains a blend of specifically developed minerals, keeping your water soft. Say goodbye to harsh chemical smells and hello to fresh water and soft skin.